Hi friend, welcome my YouTube channel. My name is Shrikant and you watching review YouTube channel. Today I am taking about new Mi-10T Pro 108MP camera. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon. Any inquiries of this video, please comment me. Let's start the video. Meet Mi-10T Pro 108MP camera. Lights. Camera. Action. Leading video in the 5G era. Redefining the limits of smartphone performance. New generation of Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. The Mi-10 series sets the benchmark for next generation performance. Experience extreme power and efficiency with the latest LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.0 ROM technology, powered by the Qualcomm registered Snapdragon trademark 865 platform. Whether at work or play, expect to have your expectations surpassed. LPDDR5, UFS 3.0 flash storage. New generation LPDDR5 RAM for 29% faster speed. Coupled with UFS 3.0 flash storage for 100% improved performance. 8GB LPDDR5 256GB UFS 3.0. VC liquid cooling. Super large vapor chamber surface area plus 6 stack graphite layer plus heat transmitting gel. Redefining the limits of networking technology entering the 5G era. Super fast download speeds are just the beginning. Say hello to smarter and more robust network standards that deliver greater security, stability, and reliability. Experience the Internet of the future with support for 5G and Wi-Fi 6, bolstered by Xiaomi's advanced 5G multi-link technology. Redefining the limits of networking technology. Wi-Fi 6. Supporting the new 5G Wi-Fi standard, Wi-Fi 6. Maximum throughput reaches 9.6 GB/s, an improvement of 270% over the previous generation. Supports OFMA and 8x8 MU-MIMO technology, which allows multiple devices to connect simultaneously to maintain high and stable download speeds. Multi-link. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus 4G/5G simultaneous connections to up to 3 networks to ensure stable and uninterrupted connectivity. Redefining the limits of photography. 108MP Camera Pro. Software and hardware work together to achieve breakthroughs in speed, display quality, and user experience. A more powerful and responsive camera system lets you capture more vivid 108MP photos faster, and store it using 50% less space. 7P lens markedly enhance the light gathering ability, fully unlocking the potential of the 108MP camera. AI 2.0 comprehensive pixel level optimization, contributing to more vivid pictures. 2 billion pixels per second Qualcomm Spectra trademark 480 ISP allows you to take pictures fast. 40% HEIF compression technology to conserve storage space. 108MP quad camera. 2MP depth sensor assists primary sensor during portrait mode. 1.75 mm large pixel size, f/2.4 aperture. 108MP ultra clear primary sensor. 1/1.33 large sensor size, OIS, 1.6 mm 4-in-1 super pixels. f/1.7 aperture, 7P lens. 2MP macro lens 1.75mm large pixel size, f/2.4 aperture. 13MP ultra wide angle lens up to 123 degrees FOV, f/2.4 aperture. Redefining the limits of videography. 8K Ultra HD video camera. The 108MP camera brings its prowess to revolutionize smartphone videography by providing 8K video recording. With the powerful Pro mode and stereo sound, you are only a few taps away from creating professional videos. Movie frame. Want to add more highlights to your masterpieces? With features including 8 built-in classic movie filters, real-time background blurring, and color focus filters, your videos will be transformed into cinematic experiences. Balanced stereo sound. To craft the best smartphone audio speakers, the Mi-10 series delivers two breakthroughs: a truly balanced stereo design, and a 7-magnet speaker design. This doubles the volume and greatly increases the dynamic range. This industry-leading hardware is combined with fine-tuned exclusive stereo sound effects for different scenarios, bringing you a more immersive audio experience. Dual 1216 superlinear speaker. Redefining the smartphone display experience. 90Hz display, 6.67 AMOLED 3D curved display. Meet Xiaomi's best display so far. It has a high refresh rate of 90 Hz and a sampling rate of 180 Hz. Whether you are reading or playing games, the screen is smoother and has better sensitivity than ever. At the same time, it also has the best color accuracy among Xiaomi's current displays. True Color. Industry-leading color management technology further enhances color accuracy. Colors are more accurate in photos and videos, which, as a result, become more immersive. At the same time, the light will be more gentle to your eyes. 4780 mAh. Tip: large battery plus 30W wired fast charging, 100% charge in only in 57 minutes. Amazingly fast. 30W wired fast charging, 30W wireless fast charging. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the video. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. Don't forget press the bell icon. Meet you next video.